5 signs. Your circadian rhythm is out of balance.
Discover the most common symptoms of a disrupted circadian rhythm. Spotting these signs early can help you restore your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, improve your energy, and strengthen overall health. Let's explore the top 5 indicators you should look out for.
1. Trouble falling or staying asleep.
If you regularly struggle to fall asleep or wake up frequently during the night, your circadian rhythm may be misaligned. Persistent insomnia, nighttime restlessness, or waking up too early are signals your internal body clock isn't syncing well with your daily routine.
2. Daytime fatigue and sleepiness.
Feeling tired, sluggish, or having trouble staying alert during the day is a major sign of circadian disruption. Even after a full night's sleep, if your body clock is off, you might still feel low energy and have a strong urge to nap during daylight hours.
3. Difficulty concentrating.
A disrupted circadian rhythm can impact mental clarity. You may notice increased forgetfulness, difficulty focusing on tasks, or trouble making decisions. These cognitive issues often stem from poor quality sleep and irregular sleep patterns.
4. Mood changes or irritability.
Being out of sync can lead to mood swings, anxiety, or increased irritability. When your circadian rhythm is off, hormones and neurotransmitters linked to mood regulation may become unbalanced, contributing to emotional ups and downs.
5. Changes in appetite and digestion.
Your internal clock doesn't just affect sleep. It also guides digestion and metabolism. Signs of imbalance may include hunger at odd hours, cravings for unhealthy foods, indigestion, or gastrointestinal discomfort. These symptoms suggest your body's timing signals need adjustment.
Optimizing your circadian rhythm.
Paying attention to these warning signs can help you regain a balanced rhythm. Prioritize a consistent sleep schedule, limit late-night screen time, and seek daylight exposure each morning. Small changes can help reset your body clock, optimize sleep, and restore well-being.